How to earn gold bars in Candy Crush Saga. Open the Candy Crush Saga and ready to earn some gold bars without spending a rupee. Let's go. Win the episode race. Each time you finish a set of levels called the episode, you join a race against other players. If you are the first to finish, you win free gold bar as a prize. Also, pro tip, keep playing levels back to back to increase your chance of winning. Tap the event tab, play in Candy Crush Loyal, Treasure Hunt, weekly challenges. This event often rewards top performer with gold bars and boosters. Spinning daily booster will, sometimes limited time version of daily booster will include a gold bar jackpot. Don't miss your free spin 24 hours. King often surprise regular player with mini rewards and gold bar giveaway during holidays or promos. Stay logged in, play daily, watch for gold bar alerts or pop-up. And that's it. Now you know how to earn gold bars in Candy Crush Saga like a pro. Got a question? Drop them in the comment and like this video if this helped you. Subscribe for more sweet tips. See you in the next one.